Hi everybody, this video is going to be a quick review of order of operations. We were able to go through it briefly in class today, so use this video as a reference to complete your homework tonight. Just to review, order of operations tells us which calculations to make first when solving a problem. The acronym PEMDAS tells us the order. First, we take care of any parentheses. When I say parentheses, I know it isn't an operation. We have to calculate any operations inside the parentheses before moving on. After that, we take care of any exponents, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. It's not important whether you multiply or divide or add or subtract first. These steps, you can think of them as being grouped, where you can do either first, it doesn't matter, but they have to be within their grouping. So now let's do an example. I'll encourage you to pause the video and try the problem yourself before we continue. Now, looking at this problem, we're going to be going to our first step. We're going to check if there are any parentheses that we need to take care of. So we go back and we see that there is a 1 plus 4 minus 2 within the parentheses, meaning that we need to take care of all those operations before we move on to the other steps. So we'll do 1 plus 4 is 5, minus 2 is 3, so we replace it all with a 3. And that leaves us with 77 minus 3 squared. So next we're going to check for exponent. And so we go back and we see that 3 is squared. So we're going to have to do that next. So just as a quick review, when you're doing an exponent, you're multiplying the number by itself for the number of times listed in the exponent. So we're going to multiply 3 times itself. So 3 times 3 is 9. So it'll be 77 minus 9. Next, we're going to check for any multiplication or division steps. We see that there are no multiplication or division steps. In this problem, if we had to do those would come next. But since they're not there, we're just going to move on and we're going to do any addition or subtraction steps. We see that there's one last operation. It's a subtraction. So we are going to do 77 minus 9, and that leaves us with 68. That is the conclusion to our video. Please use this as a reference to complete our homework, and if you're confused, come back tomorrow with questions. Have a nice rest of your night.